Hello, today I am taking strings off of a 6-string acoustic guitar. And you want to prop up the neck with a pillow or a rest of some sort. I'm doing it on my bed because it's cushiony, but usually it's done on a table. And I've already removed the 3 bass strings, E, A, D. You want to get a guitar string winder. This goes over the key here. And it also has a bridge pin puller. This will go under the bridge pegs or the bridge pins that you would slide under, lift up, and pull out the string. As soon as you do that, I like to have the habit of putting back the pin. So I'm on the G string here and I'm gonna wind it down as you hear it go down. And then this one is going to be the next. They do have electric or automatic string winders. Mostly it's nice to have it on electric guitar. Hard to do it with one hand. So now that there's no sound at all, then I'm going to put it under the bridge pin here. And pop up the bridge pin. And if it's too tight still, you gotta unwind it. Then you can pull out the string. Put the bridge pin back in as soon as you pull that string out. It's a good habit. Some people use wire cutters and they unwind the strings and then they wire cut the middle. Then you can take out the bridge pins and take out the strings on that end, and then you can unwind the strings at the top to pull it out. But I like to unwind the strings, then pull the bridge pins out. Simply because when you cut across, even though these were unwound a bit, the strings can still pop up. So you want to wear glasses, or sunglasses, no, but protective glasses. You take your bridge string winder that has the pin puller on the other end and just unremove the pin. So you would follow suit. That came out nice because I unwound it nice. Let's keep the pins all in order. Up. And pull out the string. Put the pin back. Now what a lot of people don't know when they're first beginning is you want to bend the string a little bit, an L shape there, before you put it in to the hole. This prevents the stress from breaking the corners of the string. So just bend it a little tiny bit. Just a little L shape. Then put it in the hole, put the pin in, and wind the strings. And when you're putting on new strings, which is another video, the strings are always going to be facing in. So if you have the string come around, it's going to be on the inside of the head, not the outside. But you want to wind it starting with it inside, you know. And same over here, which is going to be opposite, but you want the strings to be on the inside. That's a whole other video though. I don't want to confuse you yet. I'm just showing you how to take the strings off, but it will be on the inside always. So get yourself a guitar string winder that has the bridge pin puller. And there's many kinds. There's automatic kinds. There's the D'Addario, which I like. But these came with the guitars. Thank you for watching.